What would you do if you found this in the wild? Today I will be making a Hammerhead Shark. This will be attempt number 2, so hopefully it's better than the last one. I'm gonna be using suede again because I hate myself. I'm just gonna jump straight in. So I'm gonna make the Tesla logo. Oh yeah, I should make it bigger. I keep forgetting that I have thick hands. And you can't make small plushies with thick hands. At least not with suede fabric. That's the eyes. I don't know if that was clear. I love this color so much. Oh my god. So this time the top and the belly is going to be the same. So I'm just going to the belly is white and the top is blue. And I love this blue so much. I guess it was obvious since my hair is the same color. And when did we decide to make sharks blue? Because they are gray. They're not blue. But thank you to whoever decided to make sharks blue because you chose the best color ever. I think blue is the best color hair I've had so far. I've tried every color in the past. But I find blue really hard to maintain. It turns green really easily. You have to dye it like every few weeks. And that's why I don't think I'm going to stay blue for that long. So far, I've been maintaining my blue using temporary hair dye. I find that it lasts the same length as the permanent hair dye. And it's just easier for me to dye my own hair with temporary hair dye. This is actually cute. Oh my gosh. I had to bleach my hair so much for this because I have dark Asian hair, and for you to dye your hair blue you would need to bleach it until it's like super light. So my hair is really dead. So cute! Oh, I want to make, should I make teeth? Should I make teeth on this shark? See, this is easy to flip fabric. I literally hate myself so much that I would use suede to make plushies. The eyes. Okay. I'm debating if I should let it all out and have massive teeth or be kind of conservative and just make the teeth this small. Sharks don't even have teeth like this. Oh, big teeth, small teeth. Big teeth, small teeth. Small teeth or big? The teeth look so derpy. I'll do medium teeth. Let's see if I can stuff the teeth. I'm making this for my friend, so I hope he likes it. It's going to be super derpy. It'll look like a walrus hammerhead shark. Add the eyes now. It is giving us a side eye. Can you see? It is giving us the side eye. This is the fins. Honestly, I wasn't initially a huge fan of sharks. But now that I've been facing this shark for so long, as I'm working with it, they're actually cute. Not gonna lie, they're actually kind of cute. I don't know if it counts as a shark. Let's flip it! It's the big reveal! And we're going to flip it from this little belly. I love this color so much. I hope my friend likes it. Oh no, the head is too big. This shark is like me. Our heads are too big. No. Figuratively and physically. Let's stuff it. Let's stuff it. I still think I made it too small. It was so hard to flip. This is the little belly. Because sharks have white belly, of course. We all know that. Sharks are blue and white in the wild. And they look like walruses. And they have walrus teeth. It looks like a hammer for sure. This is how it looks so far. It's Hammerhead. Oh my god. Yeah, I have to sew his belly together. But this is how he looks. It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. Okay, it's pretty bad. But